kitchen, bare feet on the cold tile floor. You say the coffee tastes too bitter, but you're sipping like you want more.
You laugh at all my worst jokes, flip through the same old shows. You say you're scared of changing, but you're braver than you know.
Hi friends, and welcome back to another interesting video. So in today's video, I'm going to be preparing lunch stroke dinner for my family on a weekend and taking you through how usually our afternoons are during the weekend. And yeah, if this is your first time on this platform, you are welcome. We are so glad to have you here. We usually share family content, lifestyle content, and a lot more to do with life and letting you know that you are actually not alone. So you're welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you too for always coming back to watch our videos. And let's go right into our video. At the moment, I'm in the kitchen and I am going to be cooking chicken, because on the menu today my people requested for chicken, so we'll be having this for lunch stroke dinner. So let's first get it washed, cleaned, and then I'll be taking you through as I prepare it. I'll be cooking it alongside with some matoke and some rice, and I'll be making juice as well. So let me first take you through the cleaning process as we do the rest of the work. So let's go.
Sneaking through the blind,
I'd still choose every doubt just to feel your hand in mine.
we don't need some bigger promise, just these quiet, honest tries.
We're not perfect, but we're close enough to fly. Hands a little shaky, heart's a little high. You lean into my shoulder, I forget the reasons why I ever thought I'd do this life alone. I ever thought I'd do this life alone. We're not perfect, but we're close enough to try. Close enough to stumble, close enough to rise. You lean into my shoulder and the ground falls out of sight. I never wanna walk this world alone. We're close enough to fly.
So now that I'm done cleaning it, I'll be covering up and then putting it on the fire for it to cook so that the water can also dry out. Yeah, just a few minutes and our water has actually dried out. And right now I'm just going to be adding in just a little bit of cooking oil. If you don't want oil in your chicken, just don't add. Yeah, this is optional. And then I want it to turn brownish, just like you see there. That is what I was actually aiming at. And then from there, I add in my vegetables like the onions that you are seeing right here, the tomatoes. I'll be adding them gradually as I'm going to be showing you.
Trace maps on the window while the highway hums along. Half-laughed plans for tomorrow fade into your favorite song. You say we always talking, maybe I say I'm just scared to lose. Your eyes catch mine in the rear view like they're pulling me through. Under this backseat moon, I finally tell the truth. Almost every Sunday leads me right back to you. If this night ends too soon, I still want it with you. Turn the volume down, let the words come out under this backseat moon. doormat. Cold fries on the dashboard. We get deep, then we laugh it off like we didn't open every door. You say, why do we keep drifting? I say, I'm afraid of change. But my hand finds yours between us, and it all rearranged. Under this backseat moon, I finally tell the truth. Almost every someday leads me right back to you. If this night ends too soon, I still want it with you. Turn the volume down, let the words come out. Under this backseat moon. What if this is the moment we stop running in place? Every red light, every side road led us to this space. Oh, so I breathe once and I say it. Simple, quietly. I love you, hanging in the air.
The other spices that you saw me adding in are black pepper and some little bit of turmeric, because that's all I wanted to add in today, but you can use any spices of your choice. Today I've also not used Royco, as if you've been here you know it's one of the spices that actually never misses in our stew, but today we didn't use it. So next we are going to be doing juice. I'm going to be using some little bit of ginger that you're seeing here, some carrots, and then passion fruits. So we are going to be making passion fruit juice with a touch up of some carrots. And so let's go right into it. This is actually one of our favorites at home. I've also added in a little bit of sugar. If you don't like sugar in your juice, please don't put. Yeah, so yeah, let's blend it up and then make some juice for the family.
Bare feet on the kitchen tile, cold cup in my hand still shake. You said you were fine, just tired. I heard every word you didn't say. Late train, watch the headlights fade. Hard pressed to a window pane. How can something feel this right and tear through me like rain? I was born to love you, even when it cuts me through. Even if the sky falls down, I'll be reaching out for you. Every sky we walk through, every night I break into. I can change 1,000 things, but I was born to love you. Yeah, I was born to love you. Your coat on the second chair still hangs like you just walked in. Your note on the fridge half torn, back soon turning into if. Friends say I should let you go, pack up every piece of us, but how do you unknow a soul that fits you like your love? I was born to love you, even when it cuts me through. Even if the sky falls down, I'll be reaching out.
So right now I'm done with the juice and I'm going to be peeling some matoke. Yes, it's the one that we will be having alongside our stew, our chicken stew. And yeah, let's do some peeling. As always, the hack is to first make sure that your hands are well oiled so that the sap does not actually stick on your hands. So let's go.
Maybe in another life we get it right, we get it right. But even if you walk away reliving every sigh. If all that's left of you and me is learning how to lose, I'll carry all that ache and weight if it's the price of truth. 'Cause I was born to love you, even when it cuts me through. Even if the sky falls down, I'll be reaching out for you. Every scar we walk through, every night I break into. You can change 1,000 things, but I was born to love you. I was born to love you.
So meanwhile, I was outside this week, and I love it when it is all shiny and the weather is all good. The weather in Kampala, Uganda has been currently so good, and I love it. So I decided to record this clip here.
You're humming in the kitchen, bare feet on the cold tile floor. You say the coffee tastes too bitter, but you're sipping like you want more.
You laugh at all my worst jokes, flip through the same old shows. You say you're scared of changing, but you're braver than you know. We're not perfect, but we're close enough to fly. Hands a little shaky, heart's a little high. You lean into my shoulder, I forget the reasons why I ever thought I'd do this life alone. We're close enough to fly.
I've actually discovered one other thing, that if I keep my tomatoes here, they actually last longer than when I keep them in the fridge. So I decided, why not keep everything here? Yeah. So our stew is also done and ready to serve. And yeah, just gave it a few minutes and our food was ready. I served it with some avocado on the sides. As you know, that's a delicacy in our home. And our chicken stew came out so nice. It tasted so amazing. Yeah, so thank you guys for coming along. It's always a pleasure to take you along with me as I do all the house chores. These were the plates for my little ones. They didn't want matoke again, and I later served them some avocado on the sides. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for coming along and for watching. See you all in the next video.
We don't need some bigger promise, just these quiet, honest tries.
We're not perfect, but we're close enough to fly. Hands a little shaky, hearts a little high.